Back then I was working in the logistic industry, and then of course after a while the business requires more attention, requires more commitment, and then I decided to do this full time. The name of the company is Azmi Scooters. For the motor gear would be Noisy Neighbours. Basically, we run a business where we sell scooter parts and accessories, and the other part of the business we sell motor gears such as helmets, gloves, and leather stuff. The business is basically owned by myself and my wife, and then we have 7 working staff. The business actually started as a passion, whereas it's a hobby of mine, and then we realized there's a demand in the business, and then people are constantly searching for parts and accessories for these old scooters, which is not available in local stores or anywhere in Malaysia. It started as an online business at home, where we used to stock up parts at home, and then we take orders online. Back then, all orders are made by phone calls, WhatsApp, messages. Through these channels actually, it's a bit complicated because we need to be certain what we have in stock, and then customers are not aware of what we have. The problem of the business would be the catalog, which means we need to categorize which parts under which model, which year, and then which accessories fall under which colors. They have sizes. So it would be a very complicated process, whereby when a customer calls or customer messages, we would need to find out what parts does he need, and then what parts can we suggest to the customer that he can buy. We found Boutir, and then it's actually a very simple process where we can update it from Instagram posts, which means once we update Instagram, they can feed it to the website, and then we can put the description and then the prices. So just like I said earlier, once we've done that, there's no need to duplicate the process again. And then we noticed that once we post it on the Boutir website, and then there are a lot more inquiries on the parts. And then when inquiries come, and then we can guide them to the website. At first they thought that we only have a few items. And then once they see the website, there's so much more, and then they will choose the parts and accessories they want. Yeah, it helps to be online, definitely. Some of them travel over here on the weekends, but then some of them just don't have the time, but then they need the parts in a hurry. So what they do is they just order it online. With this new age, all automation, all available platforms such as Boutir, you actually have a chance, because doing this, you can reach thousands and thousands of customers.